Hi friends, today we are going to learn about multiplication of numbers which are nearest to the multiples of bases. Let us start with the first example as 23 into 22. Here our base is 10 but working base is 2. Working base is 20. Working base is 20. So we have to observe this 23 is 3 more than 20, then 22 is 2 more than 2, so we have to write that these two numbers like this, and we have to apply vertical multiplication for the to get the right parts. So 2 3 are 6. Here you have to observe that if base is 10, right part should be in 1 digit. If you get 2 digit number, you have to take the 10's place digit or 100 place digit should be carried over the next step. So that you will get right part as a 6. Here we got 1 digit number only, no need to take carries. Again, to get the left part of answer, we have to do class addition. So 22 plus 3 is 25. But this is not our actual left part of answer. To get actual left part of answer, this has to be multiplied by 2. So on multiplying 25 by 2, we will get us 50. So this is our left part of answer. What is our right part of answer? 6. So that we will get answer as 506. Let us take our next example. Let us take our next example, that is 35 into 32. Here working base is 3, that means working base is 30. Here 35 is 5 more than 5 by 30, and 32 is 2 more than 230. So to get the right part of answer, we have to apply vertical multiplication. 5 to the 10, as we got 2 digit number, take slash here, then apply cross addition. This is what 32 plus 5, 37. So this is not actual left part of answer. To get the actual left part of answer, this has to be multiplied by 3. So on multiplying 37 by 3, you will get as an 111 you will get. So 111 and then this 10's place digit should be carried out to the next place, so that you will get as 1120 is the answer for this question. Let us take our next example, that is 53 into 57. 53 into 57. Here 53 is 3 more than 50, and 57 is 7 more than 50. So to get the right part, we have to multiply vertical multiplication. So 7 3 is 21, then take slash, apply cross addition, that is 57 plus 3 is 60. To get actual left part of answer, we have to multiply it by 5. Why we are multiplying by 5 means here our working base is 50. So then if you on multiplying 60 by 30, on multiplying 60 by 5, you will get 321. And we know that our actual base is 10. If our actual base is 10, our right part should be in 1 digit only. But here we got 2 digits, so we have to transpose this. We have to send this 10's place digit to the next left part of answer as a carryover. So on sending this, you will get 302 and 1. That means answer is 3021 is the answer for this question. Let us take our next example, that is 515 into 505, and we know that 515 is 15 more than 500, and this is 5 more than 500. Then vertical multiplication you have to apply. On multiplying these two, you will get as an answer 75. As we got 2 digit number, no need to take carryover. Then cross addition, that is 505 plus 15, that is 520. This is not our actual left part of answer. To get actual left part of answer, we have to multiply it 520 by 5. That means on multiplying 520 by 5, you will get as 2600, and right part is 75, so that we will get as an 2,60,075 is the answer for this question. Let us take our next example, that is fifth example, that is 750 into 706. This is 15 more than 700. This is 6 more than 700. So vertical multiplication 15 6 are 90. As we got to the number, no need to take carry over. Then adding and cross addition. On adding this two, you will get less than 721. To get the actual left part of answer, this has to be multiplied by 2, so that you will get as an 5047, and right part is 90. So that answer is 5,04,790 is the answer for this question. Let us take our next example, that is sixth example, that is 820 into 804. See, 820 and 804. Here 820 is 20 more than 800. Then this is 4 more than 280. On multiplying these two, you will get as 80. As we got total number, no need to carry over. And add these two, cross addition, that is 824. To get actual left part answer, this has to be multiplied by 8. So that you will get actual left part of answer as 6,592. And right part is 80. So that you will get answer as 6,59,280. Let us take our last example, that is of 909 into 905, that is 909 and 905. Here our working base is 900, and this 909 is 9 more than 200, 9 more than 900, and 905 is 5 more than 900. Vertical multiplication we have to follow to get the right part of answer, so that we will get as 45. Then cross addition, so that we will get as 914. To get actual left part of answer, this has to be multiplied by 9. So on multiplying this two, on multiplying 914 by 9, we will get as 822. Sorry, 8,226, and this is 45. And writing together, we will get as 8,22,645 is the answer for this question. Like this, we can find out product of numbers which are nearest to the base, that is which are nearest to the multiples of base, easily by using these techniques. Thank you friends for watching this video.